Okay, well, I will explain the first review of the first to the seventh about English for specific purpose. The origins of ESP. English for specific purpose or English for special purpose is a new approach in teaching and using English for special fields and students that are in accordance with the needs of the field of science and the use of the English language profession. The aim of ESP is, of, is for students to, to be able to master English in the field they are studying, like most development in the human activity. It is a planned and coherent movement, but rather a phenomenon that grow out, of, out of several convergent tendencies. 1. Birth never demon. 2. The linguistic revolution. 3. Focus on the lesion. The development of ESP. In this, the development ESP has now undergone 5 phases of ESP development. L approach associated with ESP development can be determined around the world, and we can measure the pace of development by looking at the application of that approach. The degree at these different rates in each country based on their needs for English. That to the development of ESP, we should consider one of the most important activity in the development of ESP. Wallace, 1985, has indicates the use of development can be used to describe the development of ESP in general. ASD has established and continues to play a role in the theoretical discussion in how to analyze language and in the actual various teaching material. Language description. ESP courses use explicit or implicit ideas about the nature of language. Language can be explained in many ways. ESP teachers need to realize that different approaches are different ways of looking at the same thing. 1. Classics or traditional grammar. 2. Structural linguistics. 3. Transformational grammar. 4. The language variation and the registration analysis. 4. Functional or principal grammar. Theories of learning. Language can either that period must be a reflection of the human process. Learning language conditioned by opening one's mind, helping and storing information. In other words, the key to learning and teaching of tongues in understanding grammar and thought process. The development of in the theory of learning has the same pattern in language division, and each has an effect on the other. By ignoring language, we should illustrate a key development in the theory of how learning can learn and relate to their need for ESP to study and all at once. 1. Behaviorism learning as habit building. 2. Mentalism think as an activity governed by rules. 3. Cognitive code participant as thinking creators. 4. Emotional factor learning as an emotional creator. 5. Learning and acquisition. 6. A model for learning. Needs analysis. The needs for analysis is the process of interpreting performance requirements and the gap between what performance is needed and what is currently present. The process of need analysis often includes gathering information for benefit as the basis needed to develop the direction that will meet the needs of a particular group of student. Text analysis of needs is much more complex. To gather information about learners and, and to determine the target situation and the ESP learning environment. Number 1. Analysis of target needs. Number 2. Learning needs analysis. Number 3. Analysis learning needs. A process to course design. Course design is a process in which raw data about interpreted learning needs to produce an integrated series of teaching experiences. The purpose of the course design is to direct learning to a particular level of knowledge. In particular terms, this requires the use of theoretical and empirical information available to product syllabus, to select, adapt, or write material in accordance with syllabus, to develop a methodology to teach the material, and to place the evaluation procedure that, that its progress toward a particular goal would be measured. There may be many different approaches to the spatial design of ESP because there are course designers. However, we can identify the major types of course design. Number 1. A spatial centered design. 2. A spatial design centered on skill. 3. A learning approach. Thank you.